Well, good morning, Emperors and Empresses. Thank you for joining me for a snowy morning day. I thought it would be great to just give you a little insight on a snowy morning and how I get started. It all begins with my greeting to the Google Hub.
Today, there'll be snow with a forecasted high of 22 and a low of 15.
As you can see, the weather was frightful for this week.
Whether you're doing it seriously to try and tackle higher difficulties, or you just want the zaniest, wackiest.
But honestly, nothing that
which in a game that's meant to be replayed over
a
and
good
over again, usually
cup of
in
tea
Hey Google, play a financial
nice
podcast.
couldn't handle.
Here are 10 podcasts to try. Let's start with Financial Sense, our news hour.
The following podcast is sponsored by Financial Sense Wealth Management. To learn more about our investment services, go to financialsense.com or give us a call at 888.
I'll try to link in the description box where I got my tea bag organizer. I absolutely love it. It was an Amazon sweet find. Of course, you can check out my website, which is also listed on how to get
when you're
the
talking
RRT.
about the types of deficits that we have.
It has big asset implications.
When you add it all up,
It's a big number.
1 trillion of additional reserves to hit the banking system in the next 2 months.
Combine very easy monetary policy with the need for fiscal policy
It's somewhere between 20 to 25% of GDP.
That's massive.
You now have Jack Dorsey, Michael Saylor for MicroStrategy, Elon Musk have all put Bitcoin on their corporate balance sheet. And so I think you're going to see a movement around corporate treasury for 2 main reasons. One is the dollar continues to be the base, so you're protecting the value of your corporate treasury. And so it's becoming a negative if you don't. It would be insane if your McDonald's or Bojangles or all these other companies if you don't think the same way. So I think you're going to see the big movement of corporates, and that just adds to the two.
Trump is facing an impeachment trial.
It goes without saying that I recently became a pet owner, more so for my son, and he is a rescue adopted from a shelter. His name is Douglas, aka Dougie Fresh, and he gets us up at around 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m. every day. So mornings are filled with making sure he's fed and watered and all of those things. And then whatever we have to do for our respective day. But since it's a snow day, I thought I'd take you out and let you step into my backyard and see the snowy day. Very, very beautiful, serene. Basically been shut in for 7 days. Actually 8. And working to find beauty in the stillness. Beauty in reflection. Beauty in solitude. Beauty in God's work, which is actually a no-brainer. Look how beautiful it is. Beauty in seeing a young creature, animal, figure out this world for the first time. The first snow. There's so many wonderful things that came from this snowstorm. Even though there was heartache in other places, I do pray for the families that didn't get a good result, or that suffered, or that lost a loved one. So a moment of silence for them. I really hope that you got something out of the snowstorm, that you were able to reflect and gather yourself for the greater good. And I thought I would share with you. Thanks for joining me and tuning in. Until next time, peace, abundance, and blessings.